In Manresa Town, a 14.6 hectare vibrant township development with Xavier University Masterson Campus of the Future. So this is Manresa Town here. If you could see, this is Xavier University. Okay, this is Xavier University. This is the Mastersons Avenue. Can you see my screen?
Yes,
Yeah, this is very important ha. You have to tell me if dili maklaro because this is where our project is located. Actually, if you're going uptown, we are on the left side, no? Katong makita ninyo nga blue corrugated GI sheets from the Chinese cemetery up to the tuunahan ni SM, mao gina siya ang whole the 60 hectare property, but dili na siya tanan is atua, no, because this is a joint project with Xavier University. So naay portion ana is kang Xavier and naay portion ana is kang Cebulan Masters. So the name of our project or the location of our project is Manresa Town, and the name of our project is One Manresa Place. Okay, Manresa Town is complete with retail, offices, and most importantly, student and teacher-friendly offerings, creating a secure, vibrant, and dynamic development with strong synergies that will benefit both Xavier University and Uptown Cagayan de Oro. Okay, so here, this is actually architect's perspective of the total development. No, we have here campuses, retail strips, and all the others. Okay, so this is in collaboration with Xavier University, our master planner SCNA Architects and Planners, and our design consultant is IDEA. Okay. Of course, developed and managed by none other than Cebulan Masters, the number one developer in this mill. Okay, One Manresa Town is built for the future of uptown living, the first of its kind. One Manresa Place, premier uptown living. So this is actually the view of the buildings. So it has again 3 buildings. So if you could see, pa-cascading lang na siya iyang pagpaingon dito. Here is Tower 1, Tower 2, and then we also have here Tower 3. Okay. Strategic location, it's near DILG office, SM City, Sipalco Uptown, Xavier University, Vilmir Uptown, Price Hotel, Pueblo de Oro, Madonna and Child Hospital, Maternity Children's Hospital, Gaston Park, Jerbar Hospital, and 35 kilometers away from the airport. Also near St. Francis Hospital. So actually in sa uptown ng God is wala na gini siya soon to be a city within a city. Now that's for 5 years from now, uptown would be another city in Cagayan de Oro City. Okay, so the location map, One Manresa Place is a nature-inspired community with majestic views of the mountain and the downtown district. Now, what you see in blue, that is One Manresa Town. Okay? The one in beige, that's for University Campus. Okay? Okay, akong balikon ha. The one in blue, that's Manresa Town. And the one in beige is University Campus. Okay, so ang atong property is dili gid siya ingon nga nagtapok silang tanan, no? We have parcels of property scattered in the place. Okay? So project details include, of course, it's located in Mastersons Avenue, Barangay Upper Balulang, Cagayan de Oro City. It has 3 residential towers with shared retail podium integrated in a university ground. Sits on 8,390 square meters with a total of 940 units. No, Tower 1 has 394 units, Tower 2 has 372, while Tower 3 has 174 units. It also has 232 parking units. For Tower 1, it has 100 units, Tower 2, 92, and then in Tower 3, 40 units. Okay. All right. Now, our theme for here is responsive architectural theme. No, it demonstrates the ability to alter its form to continually, no, atog yung preserve no ang kanang mga trees dito sa location. Okay, so this is the another view of the place. Okay, so we have again 3 towers. Okay, nature is the biggest influence of the design, where the natural topography and lush vegetation are applied in the formation. Cultural references are added as textual element to incorporate warmth and authenticity of the design. The orientation of the towers provides picturesque views and promotes natural ventilations. Okay, our building features. Okay, we have retail spaces, separate and independent residential lobbies per tower, high ceiling lobby. We also have 4 passenger elevators for Tower 1 and 2 passenger elevators each for Tower 2 and 3. We have multi-level amenity floors, interconnected amenity areas, sky bridge connecting Tower 1 and 2 in the 12th floor. No? We also have centralized drop-off and driveway, pedestrian access, basement parking, sky garden at varying levels, combinable units, and full height windows. It also includes balconies for bedroom units and selected studio units. We also have selected garden units, window type, aircon provision, split type, and split type provisions for units with balconies. We also have wide hallways, wide circulation at gaps between towers, garbage holding area per floor, 100% backup power, 24/7 security power, and of course our very own CLI property management. Okay, our sustainability features, large windows in the unit to allow for natural lighting, windows and air pockets in the hallways for natural ventilation, toilet fixtures and water-saving features, rainwater harvesting, and energy-efficient lights and utilities system. Okay, this is our site dev plan. If you could follow, no? I'll go over this. Pwede ninyo i-zoom inyong mga phone para makita nato, no? We have the legend on the left side. If you're facing your phone or your gadget or your computer, the legend is situated on the left side. No? Number 1 here, this is the entry gateway. If you could see my cursor, the one in white nga moving, this is the entry gateway. Number 2 is the feature covered walkway here. Then we have a water feature, number 3. We have the plaza here, number 4. Pocket gardens, number 5 here. Number 6, we have the fitness lawn in this area. Number 7, exercise equipment. And number 8, we have a play area. Number 9 is the play lawn. Number 10, we have the gazebo. Number 11 is the seating area. Here, number 12, we have the pet park. Number 13, lookout gazebo. Okay, number 14, it's actually the vehicular entry. And then number 15, estate park. And the 16 is the retail promenade here. This is the retail promenade. Okay, so this is actually the site development of the total of the project. Okay. It has generous spaces now. 63% of the total area is used for open space. So 63% is a very generous space for open spaces. Okay, our premier amenities. Okay, so actually all these amenities can be enjoyed by all the residents in Tower 1, 2, and 3. It's just that lahi-lahi lang sila og naplastaran, but all of them, all the residents can enjoy, no? So in Tower 1, we can see or we can find our lobby garden decks, no, situated in the 6th, 9th, and 16th floor. We also have the bridge garden deck on the 12th floor. We also have the amenity deck on the 12th and 19th floor. No? For Tower 2, we have the study hall on the ground floor and amenity deck on the 26th floor. Tower 3, we have the multi-purpose area in the ground floor. We have the gym, no? Gym, two yoga studios, game room, co-working spaces on the second floor, chapel on the third floor, lap pool and pool deck on the 19th floor. So again, though the amenities are situated in different towers, all the unit owners can actually enjoy the amenities. Okay? Now for Tower 1, here's the here's the amenities. No, we have the lap pool, kiddie pool, garden, amenity deck. And for Tower 2, we have the study hall. And for Tower 3, the multi-purpose hall, fitness gym, game room, co-working space, chapel, and the swimming pool. Okay, unit features. Studio, one bedroom and two bedroom units. No, these are the unit features. Painted walls, partition and ceiling. Porcelain glazed tiles for kitchen, living, dining, and bedroom. Non-slip porcelain tiles for bathroom and balcony. Complete toilet and bath fixtures with shower heater outlet only. Kitchen overhead and base cabinet with granite countertop. Okay? We also have kitchen sink with grease top, fire detection and suppression system, air condition outlet for window and split type units, telephone, internet ready and CATV, and full height windows. Okay, so actually when we turn over the units, it's actually finished now. It's finished, but it's not furnished. So our clients or the unit owners will be the one to furnish the units. Okay, residential unit types. We offer studio unit no in towers 1, 2, and 3. So this is actually the actual no deliverable unit, studio bare unit. We also have a one bedroom in towers 1, 2, and 3. And this is okay, bare unit of the bed area for one bedroom. Okay. Okay, tower. We have two bedrooms, no, only in Tower 1. We have only 3 bedroom units in Tower 1. But studio and one bedroom can be found in Towers 1, 2, and 3. Okay, for Tower 1, typical floor areas, guys, we will actually share a QR code sa inyo ha, para you could have a view of the towers, no? Of the floor area of the towers. Here. Tower 2. Okay, soon to rise in a university township, built for the future, developed with sustainability, and its core inspired by nature. So one Manresa Place. Okay, this is our sample computation. So everyone, you could see, no, the computation here is actually for the units found in Tower 3, Tower 3, and Tower 1. No? So meaning, we have a different pricing for Tower 2 for this studio. We have a different pricing for Tower 2 and Tower 1. Same with one bedroom, we have different pricing for Tower 1 and 2. Okay? So here for the studio, no, the minimum floor area is 22.71 square meters. Total contract price is 4.6 with a reservation fee of 30,000 pesos. Okay? DP, our down payment is 12% spread over 60 months. So that's only 8,900 monthly. Okay, and the rest, 88% will be loaned through the bank. Now, for one bedroom, our minimum floor area is 27.3 square meters, and the total contract price is 5.6. Our reservation fee is 50,000 pesos. And the DP here is 10,500 monthly. 88%, that is for a bank. Now, for bedroom 2, again, two bedrooms, we have 3 units in Tower 1. No, we have 75.29 square meters, and the TCP is around 16 million, and then our reservation fee is 100,000. Now, okay, DP spread over 60 months is at 30,500, and the rest goes to the bank. Now, For check payments, no payee is Cebu Landmasters Inc. Okay?